I'm going to show you how to change an air filter on a 2021 to 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee model. So this is your cabin filter. You need to change it as it gets dirty very quickly. So this is the glove box. You open it first. Then you press up here on this panel, and it's gonna come out further. Then on the left hand side you see a string here. What you want to do is pull it back and it comes out. So then it just fully opens. Then here, this is where your air filter goes. You press this. There are two clips here. You just squeeze them and it comes out. And then you pull out your air filter. Let's look at this one. Oh boy. Yeah. Pretty bad. So that's it, guys. Hope this was helpful.